Once upon a time, in the vibrant streets of Manila, there was a notorious chain snatcher known as Swiftshadow. His moniker was earned from his lightning-fast reflexes, which made him a phantom in the bustling city. Swiftshadow operated like clockwork, targeting unsuspecting pedestrians in crowded areas, particularly during the festive month of December. December in the Philippines was a time of jubilation, with colorful decorations adorning the streets, merry tunes filling the air, and people preparing for the grand celebrations of Christmas and New Year. However, amidst the joyous atmosphere, Swiftshadow's activities seemed to intensify. As the days grew shorter and the nights longer, Swiftshadow and his gang took advantage of the holiday rush. They strategically planned their strikes, often during late evenings, when the streets were filled with families enjoying the festive lights and merry-go-rounds in parks. One chilly December night, as carolers sang joyously on a well-lit avenue, Swiftshadow struck again. His target was a young woman named Sophia, who had just purchased a necklace as a gift for her mother. In the blink of an eye, Swiftshadow snatched the necklace and vanished into the night. However, unknown to Swiftshadow, an off-duty police officer named Diego was nearby, enjoying the holiday festivities with his family. Diego witnessed the entire incident and, driven by his sense of duty, sprang into action. He alerted his colleagues and swiftly pursued Swiftshadow through the labyrinth of streets and alleyways. The chase led to a thrilling cat-and-mouse game across the city. Swiftshadow, with his agility, almost managed to evade capture multiple times, but Diego and his team persevered. The pursuit finally ended in a dramatic confrontation at an abandoned warehouse on the outskirts of the city. Surrounded and outnumbered, Swiftshadow realized his luck had run out. The necklace was recovered, and the gang members were apprehended. As the clock struck midnight on Christmas Eve, justice prevailed, bringing closure to Sophia and restoring a sense of safety to the festive streets of Manila. Despite the challenges and occasional rise in criminal activities during December, the courage and dedication of individuals like Officer Diego served as a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that the spirit of unity and vigilance could overcome any adversity, even during the most joyous times of the year.